Minuet. This is from Leopold Mozart's notebook. It's on page 21 of volume 17. It's in the key of F major, so throughout the piece you may want to mark the score with B flats being marked. The right hand starts in this hand position with my pinky on the F, and I have a two-note slur. Now, notice my thumb is just relaxed. I'm not in this fixed position. When I need it, I'll go there, and I'm going to come around over, which gives a more beautiful sound. Now my thumb, again, is not stuck down here. It's just relaxed because I'm going to move my thumb to a black key, and then I come down towards my thumb. The hand just shifts. I'll do it again. Watch my thumb, how relaxed it is. Okay, now I move to the left hand. The left hand is going to be here. And I play them with a light, feathery touch. I move over to these two. I can use fingers 2 or 1 or 3 or 1, whatever's most convenient for your hand. Come back to. Hear that ending? Some people call it take a bow. You hear that very often in Mozart's music and his contemporaries. Here I put them together. The next part, now my hand is up at what looks like a C major position. You can call it that. I start with my pinky. Then he does the same pattern, so I do it more quietly. And back to the opening phrase. Left hand has octaves. If you find that those are too stressful to your hand, you can just use the lowest C or the upper C depending on the size of your keyboard. So I'm going to use the upper one. Sounds to me a little bit more interesting. You could opt for but if you're going to use the octaves, you're going to make sure that you're not staying out in this very rigid pattern, but you're actually thinking towards the thumb. And you're back to the beginning. Here's the whole piece. You may have noticed that I was trying to use a very quiet, gentle touch because I was imagining myself on a keyboard that Mozart may have used himself. It would have been smaller, and the keys would have had a different action from ours because it had a whole different action inside of it. Also because the hammer would have not been a felt hammer. So I was being a little more on the surface of the keys to get that more transparent sound.